communication is a very, very, very large part of what we do. There's a lot of people in Denver that can build houses, but it's our dedication and desire to make sure that it is enjoyable for the client. The best way that we found to do that is with solid communication between us and them. So they're not going to bed wondering, I wonder what's going on tomorrow. I wonder what happened today. Or when is this happening? Every project, there's one of those, oh no, moments, and you can get on your phone and you can look at the schedule, or on your computer and look at the schedule, look at the daily logs, get that peace of mind, and get back to sleep so it doesn't keep you up, because we've covered it, it's documented, and you can read about what's coming up, what's happened, and the whole process at any point of the day.
So, how do we, the homeowner, stay up to date with our project?
So we've encompassed a project management software called JobTread. And JobTread's great. It takes care of all of our scheduling. Every day, our guys fill out daily logs with photos, and the client, whether the client's 3 houses down the street renting, or they're on the other side of the world on a trip, they can check in on the progress of their house and see what's going on, see if there's anything we might need from them, or little detailed questions we might have, and just to make sure, that what we tell them is actually happening.
And how often do we meet?
Our project manager has a weekly meeting to update the client on what's coming up, any questions we might have, any questions that they have, and just give them that peace of mind so they can go about their day and feel good about the project. It's the same day, same time every week. And that way they don't wonder if when the meeting is, when the meeting is, and it's every week. We don't skip them. If a client has a vacation or something and they can't make it, that's fine. But as far as we go, they're every week.
So how do we, the homeowner, know what we need to do and when?
At the beginning of the project, we have put together a schedule that outlines when we will need all of the selections for each portion of the project. And that way, we're not calling you the day before saying, hey, we're starting tile tomorrow. Have you picked out your tile? We give a couple of weeks. That gives us time to source the material, get it on site, make sure it's not broken, make sure there's enough there. And then when our tile person shows up, our installer shows up, we can say, okay, here's everything you need. Here is your elevation diagram. Have at it. And by making sure that everything has been planned out and is supplied and is 100% ready to go, it just really eliminates a lot of those lags or days that can be caused by not having everything there.